In this video, I am creating a mini wreath. First, I would like to talk about what a mini wreath is and how you can use it in your home decor. A mini wreath is just that, a smaller version of a regular size wreath. This is a very versatile home decor piece. You can use this in many ways. A lot of times I take a mini wreath and I will put it around a candle. This just adds that extra touch and that coziness to the environment. You can also take a mini wreath and display it on the back of a chair at your dining room table. This just adds that wow factor to your table and also just to the setting in general. This is very popular to do during the holiday time. So if you can envision a beautiful centerpiece on your table, your place settings are out, and on the back of each of your dining room chairs, you have displayed a mini wreath. It really is so pretty. Another way that you can use a mini wreath is to decorate your cabinets in your kitchen. That is a way that looks very, very festive and pretty, and it's an inexpensive way to decorate. One of the things that I always think about when I'm making a mini wreath is what size do you want it to be? The grapevines that you use for this type of wreath start at 6 inches typically and go up from there. 6, 8, 10-inch wreaths are typically what I will do because I do want to keep it smaller. The word mini is there for a reason. It depends on the size and shape of the candle that you're going to place this around. So there are factors to consider when you're choosing your grapevine. Another pearl that I'll give you is that you should always use high quality greenery. In these types of wreaths, there are typically a lot of greenery that's going to be used. And you can see that I chose eucalyptus for this. It's a high quality, realistic greenery that I picked out. And this particular one actually came from Hobby Lobby, and I was very pleased with it. It just has the realistic texture and look to it. I end up adding in some blue forget-me-nots. Now, of course, this all depends on what your color scheme is in your home, where you're going to put this, the time of year you're displaying this. There's endless opportunities for mini wreaths. For example, if you were going to do one for a Christmas setting, you could easily use pine or cedar as your greenery and add in the festive red berry picks. That would be a really classy, simple look, but you could certainly do that for the Christmas time of year. The opportunities are endless. Just remember minimal glue when you're placing everything into your grapevine and have fun with it. And as I always say, when in doubt, rip it out. If you don't like something that you're doing, you can always start over. It's my hope that this video was helpful, and perhaps you'll try your hand at making a mini wreath. They are a lot of fun. They are wonderful for craft shows and also for shop fillers. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would love to be able to share pearls with you along the way to help you in your crafting journey so that you don't have to stumble over the things that I did in the beginning.